Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with another functionality proof for a JUGS Changeup driver controller that was sent here for repair. One way customer will know. This is their panel. Actually, there's no. They tried replacing the fuse, and the result was. Maybe it wasn't just the result of them trying to replace the fuse, but the fuse holder is pretty burned up is not the right word, worn out. It definitely has been seeing a lot of heat. So that's one way you can see it. Let me see if I can show another, or maybe I will when I'm done with this. This is a testing motor that we use. You can hear it, you can't see it. But I guess that helps you figure out. It stops here because it's not the original motor. The jump is too high for it. Now let me see if you can see the rotating part down there. So this is stopped and this is start, and I'm increasing it. So this works, but there is a possibility when you plug that in, if your motor is bad, it may cause failure again. So what you want to do is you want to test the motor, and you want to see what the resistance on your motor is, and if you can have some cheaper controller, that would be ideal. I'm showing the board so that you can see this is your own board. That's for the customer. Those are pretty unique stamps there, A33, S15. Hardly two will be the same, and this looks like handwritten 15354, whatever that is. So the board is ready and it's going to be back, but there is a possibility, and it's not too small, that you may have a bad motor. And I will make another video eventually about motors. I'm not ready to do this right now. For the time being, all you just gotta know is that that board was repaired and it's ready to go back. Thank you.